In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently summarize lengthy paragraphs using the ChatGPT Atlas app. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by large blocks of text and you just need to get to the core idea without going through every detail, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the ChatGPT Atlas app. Open up your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and type in the URL or, if available, simply click on the app icon on your device's home screen. This is a versatile and user-friendly application designed to handle text analysis tasks efficiently, so you're in good hands. Once you're in the app, you'll want to think about the paragraph you wish to summarize. Maybe it's from a research article, a long email, or any text-heavy document. Simply select and copy the paragraph from the source. You can do this by highlighting the text with your mouse or finger on your touch screen, right-clicking, and selecting Copy, or using shortcuts like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. With your text now copied to the clipboard, return to the ChatGPT Atlas app. Here, you'll see a text input area ready to accept your text. Click into this input box and paste the paragraph by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V if you're on a Mac. Ensure that the entire paragraph is pasted correctly without any missing sections. Now, it's time to bring ChatGPT's powerful summarizing capability into play. In the same text input box where you pasted your paragraph, include the prompt, "Summarize this paragraph." It's crucial to add this command because it instructs the to process and distill the information into a concise summary. This will drastically reduce the amount of time you spend trying to sift through the exhaustive details of the text. Moving on, the next step requires just the click of a button. Look for a Submit button within the app interface, which might be labeled as Submit or Enter. Once you click it, the magic unfolds. The AI will immediately begin analyzing the paragraph and the prompt you provided. The smart algorithms of ChatGPT Atlas process this data to give you a coherent and concise summary. This kind of tool is exceptionally beneficial for students, professionals, or anyone looking to optimize their reading and comprehension time. After processing, you should see the summarized text presented in the output area of the app. Read through this summary to ensure it captures the essence of the original paragraph, and just like that, you've transformed a block of information into an easily digestible piece of knowledge. And there you have it. In just a few moments, you've learned to harness the power of AI to streamline one of the most common tasks in information processing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this technique as useful and time-saving as many others do.